In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use Web Sketchpad's Open Number Line tools to add and subtract. In particular, we'll look at the addition problem 17 plus 78. To start, we need an open number line. And to create one, we'll tap on the Line tool. That gives us a preview of a line, and we see there's a point glowing at 0. The glowing indicates that we need to actually place this point somewhere in our sketch. I can place it anywhere, so I'll tap right there, and my open number line is all ready to use. And if I want, I can drag it anywhere I like. So let's recall, I'm doing 17 plus 78. I am going to represent the 17 as 7 plus 10. So to do so, I am going to tap on the hop to the right tool, and I would like to hop by 7. So right now this hop value is glowing, indicating that I need to match it to one of these values. So I'm going to match it to 7, and notice that this arc becomes 7 as well. We've hopped 7 to the right. And because this is an open number line, I can drag this point wherever I like, and the arc still represents 7. So next, to reach 17, I'm going to jump 10 more. So I'll tap my hop right tool, and I will tap to match this hop value to 10. And here is my next arc, which again, I can drag its right endpoint wherever I like, and it still represents 10. So here's my 17, and I would like to add to that 78. Now, an easier way to add 78 to it without immediately trying to add 78 would be to add 80 and subtract 2. So let's hop to the right by 80. And let's jump back 2. Notice when I'm subtracting and jumping to the left, my arcs turn red. So I have 7 and 10 is 17, plus 80, that's 97, and subtract 2, that's 95. Well, let's check that out by pressing this button so that the number line values are showing. And here we see all my intermediate stops and my ultimate destination of 95. All right, let's represent 17 plus 78 in a slightly different way. I'll tap here to get a new open number line. I'll tap to place the point at 0. And this time I am going to, instead of jumping 7 and 10, let's do a hop by 20. And then jump back by 3 to reach 17. And now let's do what we did before. I'll do a hop of 80. And let's jump back by 2. Oh, but oops, I added 2 rather than subtracted 2. Well, that's not a problem. We already saw that if I drag this point anywhere here to the right of the left endpoint, this arc keeps its value of 2. But if I drag it to the left of the left endpoint, my arc changes from a plus 2 to a minus 2. So here, without having to undo and redo this, I have once again shown that 17 plus 78 is 95. I'm going to go to the second page of my sketch and create another open number line. And this time I'm going to add 3 plus 4 plus 5. So I'm going to have 3 hops here. I can double tap the tool to keep it active since I don't want to keep coming back to tap it. So 3 plus 4 plus 5. And I am done, so I'll tap the X. So 3 plus 4 plus 5, that we know is 12. But what if we start at 0 and ask what is 0 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5? Well, this gives us a nice visual and intuitive way to check out what that new sum is. We simply drag these endpoints to the left, and we see it's really no different than before. It's just we're jumping to the left, so we're subtracting. So negative 3 and a negative 4 and a negative 5 make negative 12. And this open number line model makes that easy to see because we can drag our arcs to the right or to the left to change from positive to negative values. So those are just some of the ways we can use this open number line. And we have here 5 pages where you can create your open number lines. So we look forward to your uses of this new model.